Hello guys, welcome to Stock with Kings. In today's video, I want to talk about S&P 500. I just want to do a quick review on S&P 500 based on how the market is going to react tomorrow and what opportunities that I'm going to find, coming into next week. And if you're new to the channel, don't for, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we don't miss out on some of these opportunities. With all that being said, you guys already, I believe some of you noticed I've not uploaded videos since Monday. The last video that I did was about, I think that was on Friday, but and that's because I'm having some technical issues right now, and which will be taken care of by tomorrow with my system. But outside that, everything is still okay. I'm still active within the market, but I don't trade every day. Like I told you guys, I'm not a full-time day trader. I'm a full-time swing trader. Meaning some of my players are like 6 months, 1 year, 3 months. So if I make videos and list out some of the stuff that I'm looking into buying, then those are opportunities for you to get in. But if you expect me to be coming out to make videos every day, I'm not in that space of doing all of that because I have other stuff that I'm doing. But I made this video as of last week about Robinhood, and I told you guys what I was expecting. But when I got into this play, you know, I got into this play and we sold off. As of today, I closed my position after taking a quick profit, and I got into this play. That was last week Friday. So I got into this play and we make a quick profit, and I closed my position out. And I made about $1,500, almost about 90 something percent. So just for one contract. So if I was to go in full time, then that would be more than that. But so far, close this position. I'm not in this play. So if you're looking to trade this, the best opportunity will be for you to wait for the market to bring those discount, to bring the price towards the discount range, so that way you can play and you know towards the upside. Which I'll make a video on this. For now, I'm not into this play. Just watching to see how the market is going, like it's gonna react. For today's video, I want to talk about S&P 500, and this is what I'm expecting. Coming into tomorrow, what I'll be looking for would be for us to stay above 745. This is my critical point of interest right here, as you guys can see. Let me increase this so you can see very well. 745 is a level that I'm expecting for us to hold above, because anything below 745, then we have possibility to push the price towards the downside. On the bearish movement, what I'll be expecting tomorrow, I want to see if we can, have a quick movement towards the upside somewhere above. Let's say if we close above 747 as of tomorrow, then I have possibility. Then that will be a good confirmation that we are ready to push the price towards the upside, which I'll be expecting another move coming into next week around, pushing the price all the way towards the upside again. But that's if we end up staying above 745. But in that bearish scenario, if we end up pushing this price somewhere around this range and we end up getting rejection, or we end up closing below 745, then coming into next week, I'll be targeting this zone, this price level. That's number one. Then another price level that I'll be targeting would be 732, and another price range that I'll be targeting if we get that rejection on a long put, sell opportunity will be 725. Then I believe that we have possibility to bounce within this three range to push the price towards the upside. But all of these are possibilities. These are things that I'm looking within the market right now. So if we end up having that rejection around here, then a good buy opportunity for a sell would be somewhere around here. We buy here and sell towards this downside. But my first profit will be around this zone. Then the next profit, taking will be around 732. and another take profit will be around 7.5. So mind you, all of this can only play out if we end up if we get the rejection around this level. So any price range below 7.45, if the market closes before 4 p.m. Eastern time and we close around below 7.45, then all these are possibilities coming into next week. But if we end up staying up here before 4 p.m. Eastern time, we close around 7.47 or 7.50, then coming into next week, I'll be expecting us to push this price all the way towards this level of resistance around 7.56 and possibility of for us to test this 7.60 again, and possibility of the market creating another all-time high. Possibilities are all there. But what I'll be looking into tomorrow would be for us to stay above this level, and based on that, and before the market closes by 4 p.m., if I see any signal that we are closing somewhere above this 7.45, then I'll be getting into some calls preparation for next week. So I just wanted to make this quick video in case you're looking to trade or make money into the stock market. These are the levels that I'm expecting. If we fail to stay above 7.45, then expect more sell towards the downside. But if we stay above 7.45, then that bullish movement towards the upside is 100% guaranteed. So, but like I said, whatever I say in this channel, it's not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or trade any of these stocks, especially if you're new into trading environment. Always do your due diligence before you get into some of this. And another stock that I would love to talk about is SpaceX. Since this stock, IPO went public, I've not traded this stock yet. I knew when they were gonna get in. I made some few videos and I told you guys what I was expecting. But right now, I'm not trading this. I want to see how the market is gonna react to it. And my key level is around $196. Sorry, $98. So this is my point of interest right here. This price range is what I'm expecting. If we fail to hold this level tomorrow, meaning we need to stay above this level, then any quick pullback that we have there, we can push this price towards maybe 130 coming into 2 weeks from now. But the bearish scenario would be if we end up having a rejection around this zone by tomorrow, maybe somewhere around this range, around $94. Then the next opportunity for to take profit on sell would be around 184. Meaning you get into a sell here, a put, then you take your profit right here. And that would be the first scenario. Then the second take profit will be another rejection, same rejection somewhere around here. But the target then, if we lose this level, if we lose 184 and we lose 181, then possibility of us coming down to retest $169. And if we fail to hold this $169 on SpaceX, then I'll be looking into a quick correction towards this $149. And from this $49, I'm expecting a push towards the upside to retest this resistance, which will be around 169. And any rejection that we have around this zone, if we can stay above 176, then we have possibility for the market to correct even to $100 price range. So right now I'm not even in this play, but I'm waiting for the market to bring that fair deal for me before I can get into this. But right now, these are just key levels that I'm looking for. If we break above this zone, then my buy opportunity will be somewhere around here. Any price above this zone will be my buy range, meaning that we need to stay above 196 So if we end up closing tomorrow, let's say around 200 price range or 206, any price range, as long as we stay above 198, then we have possibility towards the upside. But any failure for us to close above 190, 198, then we have possibility of correction towards the downside. And these are the first key levels to take profit, and possibility of us pushing all the way down back to this this level of support around 149 is 100% there. 149, 150 price range. So mind you, if you're trading this, you need to be careful because when IPO goes public like this, it's always volatile. And with time, the market is going to correct towards the downside to find that balance. Then from there, I'm going to pick into some of this. But right now, I'm not playing any of this. Well, I'll make some videos, for some of the stuff that I'm looking into playing coming into next week and the week after that. So I just wanted to do this quick technical analysis in case you're looking into trading SpaceX. So these are the key areas to look into tomorrow, meaning we need to stay above this price range. What I'll be expecting tomorrow based on, give me a second. I'm expecting this move. We need to stay above this range. But any rejection that we fail to hold this price as of tomorrow, then if we end up selling any rejection somewhere around here, then we have possibility of targeting this whole price range. So mind you, if you're looking to trade this, you need to be careful. Pay attention to this key level, 198 on SpaceX. If we stay above it, then a good entry would be somewhere around 199, 200. Then you buy to push towards the next target, which I'm looking around 130 price range on S&P, sorry, on SpaceX, and possibility we can even push even more. But right now, these are the key areas that I'm looking at. So this is all I have for you guys, and I just want to apologize for not making videos. But once that issue is being fixed by tomorrow, you guys will be seeing me, frequently down here. But for today, this is all I have, and I wish you guys a good weekend. And tomorrow I'll try to make one video based on how the market is going to react, based on those key levels. Then I'll decide what to do. So just want to appreciate you guys again. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the opportunity. Except you don't want to make money. But if you're looking to make money, then this is a good place for you to actually learn. I do have private class where I teach for free. It's not that I'm charging. I'm not charging anybody. These are stuff that a lot of people will charge you just to give you this knowledge, but I'm giving this knowledge for free. So if you're looking to learn how to trade, the stock market, the forex market, or the crypto market, then I can actually teach you how to analyze market and when to get it and when not to get it. So, but for now, this is all we have. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me. Only for people that are looking to trade and learn a skill that would definitely replace your 9 to 5 job. But if you're comfortable with your 9 to 5 job, then that's fine. I'm not saying you should quit your job. You don't have to quit your job. You can still learn a skill and still have your 9 to 5 job. And that is multiple income creating. So, with all that being said, I just want to wish you guys a good weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later.